guys, Michelle here from Supply with our continuing series on how to apply and use our medical products. This is the application video for the Breg Polar Care Cube Multi-Use XL Pad. This is what the Cube Multi-Use XL Pad looks like. It's part number 04790. And as always, it's important to pay attention to the ending on your pad to make sure that you got the correct one. The pads are specific to each individual system and the endings are all different. So if you get the wrong pad, it may not fit your system. Also, once the sealed bag has been opened, the pad is not returnable. With your pad, you're going to get a connection paper. That just basically tells you to make sure that you got the correct pad, to look at your connections, the endings, before you open the bag. You're also going to get the skin warning paper. You never want to put the pads directly on your skin, as this could cause frostbite or other irritations. And you want to be able to check your skin regularly for any type of irritation, and check with your doctor to find out what you should be looking for. Also, the universal rule of thumb is 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off. You can treat a body part for 20 minutes, and then you need to give that body part a break for 20 minutes. As talked about, you always need to have a barrier between your skin and the pads. This is the sterile dressing that goes with the multi-use XL pad. Once you open the package, you're going to pull out the sterile dressing. You're going to see these tabs. You're going to remove the tabs and stick the sterile dressing directly onto the pad. Make sure when you're applying the sterile dressing to the pad that you cover the entirety of the pad so that no part of it is touching your skin. You're going to press it down to make sure it's securely on the pad.
So in this case, we're treating a knee today, but this is a multi-use pad, so there's a couple rules of thumb. You can, if you're a smaller person or a child, you can use this for your shoulder. But we always say you can use the multi-use pad anywhere as long as it's comfortable. Michelle is going to show us on the knee right now.
So once your sterile dressing is in place, you're ready to apply it to the body part. Now for this instance, we're putting the larger part around the thigh area. You're going to take the strap and wrap it around until it is securely in place. Then do the same with the lower part. And the Velcro straps are adjustable, so you can loosen them and tighten them as needed. Once this is in place, you're ready to fill your cooler. You're going to add your ice and water to the cooler. And some people do use frozen water bottles, which is okay, but keep in mind if you do that, you need to remove all of the labeling glue so that these materials do not get caught inside your motor, which could potentially void your warranty. We also sell freezer bags. These are super popular and really convenient. They don't have any label or glue to remove, and all you have to do is fill them about 2/3 of the way, freeze them, and you can put about 3 of them in your cooler. So now, we're going to add the freezer bags to our cooler. After that, there's a fill line inside. This is where you're going to fill your water to. Once you've added your ice and water, you can put the lid on, and you're going to push the handle back, which locks the lid in place. Now you're ready to connect the hose from the cooler to the hose on the pad. Before you do that, press down the 2 metal tabs. Once these 2 pieces connect, you're going to hear them snap, which lets you know that it's secure. Once you've done that, take your power supply, plug it into the back of the lid, and then this part plugs into the wall. As you can see, we have our cooler somewhat level with the body part that we're treating. You can have it on the floor or on a chair, and it'll still work fine, but it is optimal to have it somewhat level with the body part that you're going to treat. And now, you're ready to begin your treatment. Thanks for following, and as always, if you have any questions or concerns, shoot us an email at cs@supplypt.com or give give us a call at 1-844-505-8144, Monday through Friday between the hours of 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern Time.